Moving on now, Maharashtra continues to remain the worst hit state by coronavirus, like I told you at the beginning of this bulletin, with almost 25% of India's cases reported from the state alone. An inter-ministerial team from the centre is in Mumbai and assessing the situation in Dharavi, which happens to be Asia's largest slum. It has emerged as a hotbed in this outbreak. Maharashtra's Health Minister Rajesh Tope is accompanying them. India Today is tracking inside details of the centre's assessment of the COVID outbreak in Mumbai. According to sources, Dharavi and Govandi remain a concern, while the situation in Worli, Koliwada has improved. Centre's team also met Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray yesterday. Another team from the centre is visiting Pune. The entire city is shut. There is a COVID scare at Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray's official residence at Varsha in Malabar Hills as well, after 2 police women tested coronavirus positive.
अभी कंटेनमेंट स्ट्रैटेजी, क्लस्टर कंटेनमेंट स्ट्रैटेजी का जो प्रोटोकॉल है वो फॉलो करना, यही मुझे लगता है सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट काम होता है. ये हम काम कर रहे हैं.
जो आप लोगों ने अभी तक प्रयास किए हैं, क्या सेंट्रल की जो ये टीम आई है वो आश्वस्त हुई है उससे?
100% कुछ छोटे मोटे सुझाव जरूर है. वो सुझाव के ऊपर हम जरूर ध्यान देके खासकर क्वारंटीन फैसिलिटीज बढ़ाने का काम हम धारावी के लिए स्पेशली करेंगे. कमिश्नर को बोला हूँ.
आखिरी सवाल सर, सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या रहा है आज के दिन में?
नहीं, ये यहाँ का कंटेनमेंट स्ट्रैटेजी एग्जैक्टली फॉलो करना, जैसा कि भाई यहाँ के जो भी हाई रिस्क कॉन्टैक्ट्स है उनको आइसोलेट करना, यही सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है.
पेशेंट को एडमिट करने के बाद सस्पेक्टेड कोविड लिखा जाता है, स्वैब लिया जाए ऐसा एडवाइजरी दी जाती है, आइसोलेशन वार्ड में रखा जाए ऐसी एडवाइजरी दी जाती है, और उनके मृत्यु के बाद उसको नॉन कोविड इस प्रकार से ट्रीट करके सस्पेक्टेड कोविड लिखा जाता है, क्योंकि उनका स्वैब ही नहीं लिया जाता. 100 केसेस ऐसी है कि जिसमें इस प्रकार से बॉडी रिलीज कर दी गई है. चूंकि इनको नॉन कोविड माना जाता है तो घर वालों को न क्वारंटीन किया जाता है, न उनकी कोई टेस्ट की जाती है.
Situation in the financial capital seems to be getting from bad to worse. We are in Dharavi right now, and in an important development, a 5-member inter-ministerial central team has been formed for Mumbai and Pune. One such team that has been formed is visiting the Dharavi area right now. The members of this very team are taking details from the various officers. Now, we've been given to understand that this team is being led by Additional Secretary, Ministry of Food Processing Industries. At the same time, this team also comprises Joint Advisor NDMA, Director Department of Consumer Affairs, Director, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and others as well. This team today will be visiting Dharavi and the Worli Koliwada areas, 2 of the worst affected areas. All the details from various aspects would be gathered, and then a report would be submitted to the central government. We are in this very slum pocket which has been declared to be dangerous, and all the measures are being put into place, and that is the reason why, because this is a critical place, the reason is that is the reason why the central team is here collecting information, which will form the basis of the final report, which will then be submitted to the central government for further concrete actions. With camera person Mahesh More, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.